Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. I am teacher Simran from Toddledom School. Children, today we are going to learn a new story. You all like stories, right? Yes. So today we are going to learn a new story, and the name of this story is The Hare and the Tortoise. So, children, before we start with this story, let me first introduce you all to the characters of the story. Okay, let's start. Children, do you all know what is a hare? Who is a hare? Hares are usually larger than rabbits and have long ears. Hares are similar to rabbits. Hares are not kept as house pets. A group of hares is known as a drove. Now, do you all know what is a tortoise? Children, there is an animal that has been on earth as long as the dinosaurs and usually lives to be over 150 years. It's the tortoise, also known as land turtle. Tortoise are unique animals that have a shell. So children, I hope you are now aware with the characters of this story. So let's begin with our story, Hare and the Tortoise. Once there was a hare hopping around in the forest. Suddenly he saw something hard and round in the middle of the road. What is this? What's going on? It was you, Tortoise? Ha ha, I thought you were a rock. What a slow rock! By the time I go around the whole forest, so will you in the same old place. Hey hare, would you like to have a race with me? Said the tortoise. What? You and me? Asked Hare. Tortoise replied, If I win, you have to promise not to make fun of me again. Okay, I accept your challenge, said the hare. All the animals in the forest gathered around to watch the two of them run a race. I am pretty sure the hare is going to win the race, said the elephant. Yes, she's right, said the monkey. Still, we don't know the result until the race is over, said the bear. The mountain bird, who was the judge, pointed to the top of the hill and said, See, the tree over there? One who gets there first wins the race. Ready, set, go! As soon as the race started, Hare jumped and hopped to win. However, even though the tortoise was trying its best, he looked like he was standing in a place. Tortoise, you have to run faster, said the monkey. Yes, yes, I am trying my best right now, said the tortoise. Oh, are you? Said the elephant. When the hare reached halfway to the finish line, he looked behind and saw that the tortoise was moving but was far from the starting line. He is so slow. Why was he so full of confidence? I will just stop here and take a nap. I'll win anyway. Lying under the shades, the wind blew gently and made the hare fall asleep. After a while, The hare woke up by the sound of the crowds. He looked towards the upper side of the hill. What's happening? On the top of the hill, the crowd was cheering for the tortoise, the winner of the race. Wow, tortoise, you made it. You won, said the monkey. We didn't expect to win the race, but it was awesome, said the elephant. It's not big deal, said the tortoise. The hare quickly came over and was very surprised by what he saw. This can't be true. How on earth could you win the race? Don't you know who am I? It's me, said the hare. No, this can't be true. It's not fair. Hare, if you think it's unfair, do you want to have another race? Said the tortoise. I admit I lost. I'll keep my words. No more making fun of you, said the hare. Good. Let's be friends from now on, said the tortoise. From that day, the hare and the tortoise became good friends. So children, moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Okay children, so now it's time for quiz. In this story, who is the slowest animal? Is it hare? No. Now, is it a tortoise? Yes, you're right. It's a tortoise. Tortoise is the slowest animal in the story. Now, next question. In this story, who is the fastest animal? Tortoise? Is tortoise the fastest animal? No. Hare? Is hare the fastest animal? Yes, you are right. Hare is the fastest animal in the story. Now, your next and last question. Who won the race? Children, did hare won the race? No. Tortoise? Yes, children. Tortoise won the race. Do you all know why? Because he was not overconfident like hare. Okay, children, so always remember, slow and steady wins the race. So, that's all for today. See you all in your next session. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and do not forget to study. Bye.